Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to convert your Word file to PDF using WPS software. WPS Office is absolutely available on open source and freely available on Windows, Mac, and Linux, as well as smart devices also. And using WPS Office, you can do anything related your doc file, image file, PDF file, JPG file, or Excel file. So in this video, we will discuss how to convert Word to PDF file. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So first of all, open your WPS Office. You already installed in your operating system. I already create several video of WPS Office. You can watch the WPS playlist. So suppose for example, I'm providing this one. This is a single page of Word files. Now I'm converting this Word file as a PDF format two ways. You enter firstly file option and here export PDF. Export to PDF options are available and all pages, current page you can select as a current page. So single page convert the PDF, otherwise select the all pages, convert the all pages. So look at this page are convert as a PDF format using this trick. Now this single page is available, so PDF also convert as a single page. Now second trick, you just press your command and P and here options are automatically available. Save as a PDF format, so you can save the PDF format like new one and save. Use both files. So these files also convert as a PDF format here like this way. Now second option, this is a multiple pages are available on doc format. So I'm converting all pages to PDF format. Again going to here, file, export as a PDF, save as a PDF format, and all files are saved like same Word format. All file look like this. This is the last page of this one. So this is the last page of this PDF format. As it is, convert as a PDF format. And second option, command P, you can print this file and here options are available like open preview, save as PDF. So I select the save as PDF. So which location you want save this particular file title, save as PDF, or doc file, save as PDF, save. All pages are saved like a 14 page. So this NLP and all 14 page are saved as PDF format. It's very simple to use WPS software and save as a Word to PDF format using WPS open source software. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.